equipment way back before the safety belt. No? We will use at all times the safety harness. Safety belt was already obsolete. Wala na po yan. Inalis na po yan. Kasi why? If you are using safety belt and if already fall, there's still possibility you will get an injured. Okay? May injury pa rin tayo. Why? Especially our spinal column. Then, sige, subukan mong magsuot ng tali, ng belt, tapos lagyan mo ng tali, tapos malaglag ka sa mataas. So, hindi ka nga nalaglag, pero nabali naman ng tadyang mo. No, we will not do that one. Okay? No shortcut procedure. Nobody will run on deck. Okay? I don't want somebody running on deck. It's just because you want to reach your destination as fast as you can. You can walk fast, but don't run. Huwag tayong tumakbo. Okay? Number 1. Number 2, we will use at all times a safety helmet while we are on deck. Okay? Magtatapon ng basura, magpapaalam kay shipmate. For example, no, we are underway, nagtapon ng basura. Sir, magtatapon na ako, then you're using sleepers, normal sleepers, without helmet, then karoon na tayo ng accident. Okay, tandaan natin, gentlemen, accident, walang nakakaalam kung kailan mangyari yan. Okay? So, as I've said a while ago, gusto ko umalis tayo sa pamilya natin ng buo, babalik tayo ng buo. Okay? Kasi, wala akong ipapaliwanag sa pamilya mo if something happened to you during my tenure. Okay? So, we don't want to happen like that. Now, I will be your administrator, but still, we have a department head. The department head on deck is chief officer, and the department head on engine department will be the chief engineer. We all know that. We all know that one. Wala naman tayong kadete rito, isa lang. Okay? So, we don't have a deck cadet, but still, how many months already on board? 2 months? 3 months? 7 months. Okay, so malapit ka na rin umuwi. No, probably. So, ayun, at least during 7 months on board, I hope that you learned a lot, you studied a lot, especially the safety, and of course, your duties, responsibilities, and for the next level also. Okay? Hindi naman po pwedeng at all times you are a cadet. Okay, now, as I've said, nasabi ko na to sa ibang tropa, na dito sa barko, may dalawang klaseng tao lang tayo. Isang naguutos at isang inuutusan. Okay? So, pumirma tayo doon sa kontratang, ano ka ngayon sa position mo? So, you should follow at all times your subordinate. Okay? Your engineers, your officers, your petty officers. So, we should follow that one. So, wala naman tayo ditong tigre or an old style administration na konting pagkakamali mo lang na parang may puputok na 45 sa likod ng ulo mo. No? During my tenure, it is not happen because I want at all times my vessel, our good lady, would be happy at all times. Okay? I'm a very simple person. Kung ano ka sa akin, ganun din ako sa'yo. Kung mabait ka sa akin, meron akong halo. Okay? Mas mabait ako sa'yo. Pero kung loko-loko ka, kumakandidato akong pinsan ni Satanas para sa'yo. It is a reflection of mirror. Kung gwapo ka sa salamin, kung gwapo ka talaga sa actual, in your reflection in the mirror, you are gwapo. But kung pangit ka talaga. It is a hypothetical, gentlemen. Okay? Ibig sabihin, kunwari ba? But I mean, what you are doing to us, that's what we will do to you. Ganun lang yung kasimple. Okay? And bear in our mind, our department head and me, hindi kami ang gumagawa ng inyong, what do you call this one? Evaluation. Kung hindi kayo mismo. Sinusulat lang namin yan. Okay? Sinusulat lang namin yan. Kasi bakit naman namin ipasusulat yan? Kung mabait ka at magaling ka, ba't ko naman pasusulat na lazy ka? Unrehirable ka? Kung alam ko naman qualified ka talaga. Diba? Pero kung alam naman namin, nakikita naman talaga natin na you are lazy, you are incompetent, hindi ka maaasahan, wala kang diskarte, so hindi ka natututo, what we will gonna do?